unboxing my new yellow shoes.
Are they just yellow shoes?
The yellow heels. Oh, what? Oh. This is not going well. Not going well.
You don't do this very often, do you?
I do. I should be a pro. But this is like serious tape, and then I got a sticker over it. Oh, I killed the box.
I think what you need are some unboxing tools.
It's interesting. They had a sticker, and then Australia Post put on another sticker over it to like update it or something.
Where did it come from?
From Stockholm. Is that in Sweden?
What is it? What is it?
The MANOLO Blahniks.
Oh.
So, quite a few people have bought shoes from this website. Savannah's. And it's considerably cheaper than the actual brand. And I have to wonder whether they're real.
Let's have a look.
Here's a quick promo. Okay, the box is in good condition.
How long did this take to arrive?
I think 3 weeks. 3-ish weeks, I think. Okay. Oh. Don't forget, all shoes must be tried on clean carpet. I'm like, I thought it was a nice, welcome, thank you message, but no. Is don't forget, all shoes must be tried on clean carpeted surfaces until you are sure that you are keeping them. Fair enough. Return exchange policy and stuff. Okay, this is Manolo little booklet thing. Scan the code below with your camera on your mobile. I can't because you're using it right now. I think it's to do with, okay, this is like a product here.
Oh, it's all online now.
Yes.
That's cool. Wow, check out how they folded this paper.
So each shoe has its own dust bag. Oh my gosh. I am praying that I like this yellow because I've never seen it in person. I've seen it on video, I've seen it in pictures, and from what I've gauged, they look like an ideal yellow. So happy yellow. It's like, oh, I'm scared. I'm nervous. So I can easily return it. I'm nervous. I'm scared. Ready? It's like a golden yellow. Wow. Oh, interesting.
What is it?
Okay, so there's one dot here, and people have reviewed online, and there's different, people get different dots, and no one knows what they really mean. And my guess is that 5 dots is wide, 3 dots is like normal, and 1 dot is narrow. So I was expecting a 5 dot, but this is a 1 dot. So now I'm like, I wonder if they fit. And they actually look quite narrow. Okay. So, do I like the yellow? pretty good. It's like a happy golden yellow. And how does it look? Okay, I might as well try them on together. Oh, one dot. They look quite narrow.
Don't you choose, or is it random?
I don't know. People get different dots. So let's just try them on with my lovely pajamas. Interesting.
You want clean carpet?
How's the yellow look on me?
That's good.
So it's on carpet. Do a little test walk. Should I take? Okay, so yeah, under the paper there's a brooch, but I'm just like, I need to make sure it fits before I consider taking it off. So I need to know if I like the yellow. The yellow is, it's not too crazy yellow. It's a nice golden yellow.
It's not super bright.
Yeah, which is kind of a good thing. It's just the height. The height is reasonable. I think it's a 70. It should be a 70 millimeter, but I don't know, 70. Might be 70 to 80. Okay. Anyways, size. So many things to consider. So size. It feels quite snug width-wise. So I actually, like, the length is good. It's just a width work. I don't know. And then suddenly I don't know how to decide. So it's satin. Okay, let's have a look at the brooch. Because I need to like the brooch. So it's made in Italy. Okay, let's have a look at the brooch. So I need to like the whole combo. Make it easy. Ready? Whoa! Oh my goodness. So it's like a grey bling. Oh, you see a sparkle? Damn, that's so stunning. Like, I'm stunned. Kind of stunning. Oh my gosh. Time to process. Whoa! What do you think?
Yeah, nice yellow.
Mm-hmm.
It's super blingy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just the fit and the comfort.
It's not too high. I need to measure the heel, but whoa! Need to break them in, I think. I think it will it's actually, the size is actually okay. Just need to break them in. You need to mold them to my foot a little. Do you see me wearing these?
I sort of do.
Okay, pretend I'm wearing a dress. Oh, I like the yellow. And then the bling makes it a bit more serious. So the yellow is playful, and then the bling is obviously sparkly and blingy, and then the brooch, the pattern makes it interesting and a little bit more mature, which balances the whole shoe out. Wow. Okay, I obviously don't hate them, but I need to be with them a bit to see if I like them and will keep them. Wow. So yeah,
Whoa.
they're my new Manolos.